Hey guys, Jackson Free Auto Mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your tailgate latch assembly. It's only going to take us a few minutes. There's only 3 bolts involved and 2 rods that attach on the inside here. Let's get with it. First step, if your truck still has one on it, is to remove the bezel. You can do that by pushing downward on the clamps and then lifting upward so that our tabs come up out of the slots. Mine's been broken for a while. I borrowed this brand new one that came with the new latch assembly, which was pretty convenient. I'll put a link to this down below in the description. But once you get that removed, you can set it to the side. You're going to slide these 2 tabs down. Just before you remove each rod, pop the tailgate loose, hold on to it, and then just slightly remove the 2 rods. It causes a great challenge to open the tailgate if you don't have the rods in there yet. So once you get that done, open the tailgate. And if you have a covering, which I did, make sure you remove it. That'll give you access to these 3 bolts. 13 millimeter. We'll go ahead and break those loose, and then we'll remove them. Now when you get down to your last one, you may want to reach up underneath to hold on to your latch assembly. Now you've got your last bolt out. It'll fall right into your hands. And if we look, we can see it's pretty rusty. In the last video, I showed you how to just replace this clip. That's why it looks a little newer than the other one. But for just a few more dollars, and it comes with a new bezel, we're going to go ahead and put a new latch assembly in there. Do it in the opposite order you just took the old one off. And if you'll notice, this one hole is oblong compared to the other 2. This one's got a little bigger than that one. They do that so there's a slight adjustment for you if you need it. So we'll go ahead and just put that back up in there. So take our new one, we'll just slide it back up into place. We can line our holes up so that we can see where our bolts go. You see that allows for a little bit of movement or adjustment if it is needed. At that point, we'll just tighten these 3 bolts up. Now at this point, we're going to go ahead, lock our tailgate into place. We'll go inside, make sure that our tabs are in the downward position, slide our rods in place, lift upward on the tabs until they grab. This one acting a little tougher for some reason. There, got it snapped in place. We'll do the same thing with the other side. Got it snapped in place. Now, lift up on the handle. Test it a couple times. We're in good shape there. Only part left is our bezel. And it comes with the two-sided tape on either side. You want to peel that off on both sides. And there's no instructions, but I'm guessing if you wipe this off with some alcohol and a cloth, the adhesive might work better. Make sure your lower nubs go into the holes. This looks like you snap them in. Now we've got our bezel on. All you got to do is test the function out. We're in good shape. A few dollars, back in business, 3 bolts. Thanks for watching.